Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel where we share tips and tricks for home renovation projects. Today we're going to talk about how to install porcelain tile over a concrete floor like a pro. Porcelain tile is durable, low maintenance, and can add value to your home. It's a great choice for areas with high traffic and moisture, like bathrooms, kitchens, and basements. As always, you can read the detailed article on our website. Like any other tile installation, preparing the area for tiling is the first step you should take. Let's go ahead and explain what is involved in floor tiling preparation. The first step is to measure the room area to see how many tiles you need to cover the entire floor. Then, you should decide on the tile's pattern. The pattern in which you lay your tiles significantly affects the overall look of your floor. The type and size of the tiles determine the thinset mortar that you should use. In general, for porcelain tiles, you should use modified thinset mortar to achieve an optimum bond between the tile and concrete floor. Using modified mortar reduces the chance of cracks forming in the tiles. Cleaning the floor is essential to ensure that the mortar will adhere to the concrete floor properly. After cleaning, you should check for any cracks or holes. If exists, fill them with concrete patching compound and sand them to ensure they are completely smooth and flat. The final part of the preparation phase of the porcelain tile installation is finding your starting point. You can either start installing the tiles from the center or the corner of the room. Generally, it is recommended to start from the center and work your way outwards to have a symmetrical look. But there are some other factors such as room layout, tile size and shape, tiles direction and doorway location that you have to consider for deciding where to start tiling. After you decide on the porcelain tile installation pattern and the starting point, we suggest dry fitting the tiles. This will help you to see what the floor looks like if you lay the tiles. Once you've applied the thinset mortar, it's time to lay the porcelain tile. Start at the center of the room and work your way outward. Use tile spacers to ensure that the tiles are evenly spaced. If you need to cut the porcelain tile to fit around corners or edges, use a tile cutter or wet saw. Make sure to wear safety goggles and gloves when cutting the tile. After you've laid all the porcelain tile, let the thinset mortar dry completely. This can take up to 24 hours, depending on the humidity and temperature in the room. The final step is to apply grout to the spaces between the porcelain tile. Use a rubber float to spread the grout evenly. Make sure to remove any excess grout with a damp sponge before it dries. Remember to protect the tile during renovation and also learn to care and maintenance after installation. Installing porcelain tile over a concrete floor can be challenging. By following these steps, you can achieve professional-looking results. If you want to learn more about the process, you can read the detailed article on our website, where we provide additional tips and advice. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. Thanks for watching and happy renovating.